Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm here again with yet another strategy which you could use to actually drive thousands of leads to your CPA marketing offers right here. And guys, this is actually going to be an amazing strategy and also a beginner friendly strategy right here. And guys, you want to just simply stick on to this video, watch to the end, because if you do apply this strategy guys, in about 2 days you should be able to start making hundreds of dollars with CPA marketing. With that being said, let's just simply cut right to the chase and head on to the purpose of today's video. So the first things first, you want to just simply go on to selecting a CPA marketing platform which you want to take advantage of. I'm going to use the CPA grip right here. If you don't have an account, click on register, or if you do have an account, go on to login into your account. If you do click on register, you'll be brought to this page. Fill out this form appropriately to actually go on to creating your account. Make sure you do agree to the terms of services right here, or you could read through the terms of services via this section. And if you do click on register now, your account will be created almost immediately. Then you can then just simply log into your account right here. And guys, to select offers to promote, you want to just simply click on offer tools, click on my offers, and you'll be able to grab hold of offers right there in any demographic of your choice. So guys, if this section right here is on all countries, you'll be able to see offers available to countries all around the world. So guys, right now you can see this offer is available to people in Switzerland, this one right here for New Zealand, this offer right here for people in Belgium, this offer for people in Poland, for Germany, for Switzerland, and guys, the list keeps on going on and on and on. You'll be able to see amazing CPA marketing offers which you just want to take advantage of right now. But guys, it is quite important that you do go on to focusing on a specific demographic right there. Maybe you want to focus on a top tier country such as the United States, or maybe the Great Britain right here, which is the United Kingdom. And if you do select a location right there such as that, you will be shown offers available to that specific demographic. And guys, you want to just simply go to filtering the category of that particular offer. As you can see, there are different categories right here, which is the mobile install category. That category actually involves your leads right there to actually go on to installing a mobile application on their mobile phones and running it right there, and you do get paid affiliate commission once they actually do that using your unique affiliate link. So for the pin submit right here, they actually have to go on to submitting their phone numbers while going through a survey using your unique affiliate link. You do make money doing that. For the emails and zip submit offer, they actually have to go on to submitting their email address or zip code while going through a survey using your affiliate link right here. And while for the credit card submit offers are offers that require your leads to actually go on to inserting their credit card details while signing up to a website, and if they do that guys, you do get paid full cash doing so. So basically guys, the credit card submit offers are actually offers that pay the most right here on CPA marketing platforms, because they're actually harder to get conversions too. But in all this, I do prefer the email and zip submit offer. They actually do give me better chances of getting conversions right there, because a lot of people are not that skeptical about submitting their email address or zip code while going through a survey right there. So it's actually much more easier to get conversions to such kinds of offers. And right now guys, you could see a lot of offers right here which you want to just simply take advantage of right now. This offer right here is a gift card giveaway for an Amazon gift card right here. You can see it's also an Apple iOS offer and an email and zip submit offer. What this means right here is that your lead will actually come from the United Kingdom. They should come from the United Kingdom. They should be using an Apple iOS device. They should also go on to submitting their email address or zip code while going through a survey using this link right here, which is your affiliate link, and you do get paid $1.71 for every successful lead that actually does that right here. So this is quite an amazing strategy which you want to use right now. So imagine 100 people going to completing this offer. You're going to get paid about $171 right there. So guys, what this is all about is the numbers game. You want to just simply try as much as possible to direct people to go on to completing this particular offer. And guys, how do you do that right here? You want to take advantage of this platform which is called the Fiverr.com. This is actually a cool freelancing platform out there which you could just simply take advantage of to the fullest, because with this platform, guys, you could just simply go into searching for gigs which are actually related to the online survey gigs. And right now, guys, if I do check out the online survey right here, you can see for this person says it will actually conduct your online survey with real US customers, and you can see right here that it actually has a 5.0 review rating, and he has done about 974 jobs on this platform. And guys, you can see how much it actually goes on to charging. This person right here says you actually conduct your online survey with up to 5,000 or 500 real respondents. This person right here actually goes on to creating a customized online survey with up to 1,000 genuine targets. So guys, you can actually see that you could use this platform to go on to paying and completing your CPA marketing offers. If you do so, guys, you're going to be earning a lot more profit right here, because supposing these 500 real respondents actually do go on to signing up or completing that particular offer, it's going to be 500 multiplied by 1.72. And guys, this is actually the amount which you'll be making right here, which is $860 right here. But you're actually going to go on to paying this particular person about, let me say, $40 right here. So imagine removing $40 from this amount right here. You're also going to be making $820 right there. So this is quite an amazing strategy which you want to just simply take advantage of right now and actually start using that to earn some cool cash with CPA marketing. So you could see right here, guys, that there are various platforms right here of various people that offer this gig. Just simply go to select one and use that to actually get traffic to your CPA marketing offer. And I hope this video did help you. If yes, simply go on to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and ensure your notification bells are turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.